Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Indian Spotlight. Today in this video we are going to deal with a book review for class 9th and 10th CBSE syllabus. In the last two academic sessions, there are so many changes in the way of learning and teaching. This video will guide you for the preparation of change because according to G.B. Shaw, progress is impossible without change. This video will completely guide you about the special scheme benefits, how to prepare for terms and syllabus with the marks distribution. If this video is helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe this channel with the bell button so that you don't miss any of the notification further in future. Every sector underwent a transformation, none more than education. Students, teachers alike adopted to online learning, examinations and new teaching learning methodologies. The special scheme of assessment recently introduced by CBSE is a fresh approach. Unlike previous years, this academic year will be divided into two terms. The first term will have only MCQ questions of three types: case-based, assertion, reason types and stand-alone MCQs. Unlike the traditional 3-hour paper, there will be a 90 minutes test based on the 50% of the rationalized syllabus, and the second term will be of 2-hour duration and have the questions of different formats like case-based, situation-based, open-ended, short answer and long answer type. This is the most recent guidelines for conducting the exams. They will start the exams by 15th of November and major subjects will be conducted from 24th of November for class 10th and 12th. All the examinations will be conducted in offline mode. They will provide the date sheet of class 10th and 12th on 18th of October, means today. As per the new evaluation process, CBSE has changed the way of conducting the exam. The points that you have to remember are that OMR sheets will be available on clouds, questions paper will be printed in the school, exam center will be your own school, MCQ types of questions will be there and each questions will carry equal marks of the candidates, and writing time will be 90 minutes while reading time will be 20 minutes. CBSE will conduct workshops for observers and city coordinators. Observers will be available in the school from 7:30 am to 5 pm. As per the COVID protocol, there will be 12 students sitting in the room. Centers having strength of more than 500 students, one observers will be appointed, and if the school or the center is having more than 500 students, then 2 observers will be appointed. These are the things that you have to keep in mind before appearing for the term 1 exam. With the new assessment scheme, how to prepare for terms for the session 2021 and 22, let me discuss. As we are guessing that this time the score level will be the highest one, so each of the chapters you have to study intensively, then clear your doubts from the teachers, make a flexible timetable for study, solve sample papers through books and online resources. This is the best way for the preparation for the terms for any of the subjects. While doing the last minute preparation, I think that Oswal CBSE MCQ chapter wise question bank for term 1 and term 2 are based on the special assessment scheme introduced by the board on 5th of July will be beneficial for the students. These question bank include MCQ questions: number 1 stand alone MCQs, MCQs based on assertion, reason. Number 3, question bank and the case based MCQs. Questions from CBSE officials question bank released in April 2021. Competency based questions, understanding knowledge, application and evolution and creation. Answer with explanation. Oswal CBSE books chapter wise question banks is specially curated by the Oswal editorial board. I hope that this book will definitely help all the students for doing the last minute suggestions, and they will get the comment from it. Apart from this, they will get ample of opportunities to do the practice work. Keeping in mind CBSE has changed the syllabus for both the terms, have a look into that. English language and literature subject code 184 class 10th. Reading section questions will be on the following kinds: unseen passages 400 to 450 words, and there will be another one that will be based on factual case study. Writing skill, formal letter based on a given situation, letter to the editor, letter of complaint, official, letter of complaint, business. Apart from that, if we talk about the grammar section, then tenses, modals, subject verb conquered, determiner, reported speech, commands and request, statement and questions. Now come to the literature section. Literature sections will be the questions having extracts text to assess interpretation, interference, extrapolation beyond the text and across the text. So the chapters are from First Flight, A Letter to God, Nelson Mandela, Two Stories About Flying, From the Diary of Anne Frank, The 100 Dresses 1 and 2. Apart from the poems, Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice, A Tiger in the Zoo, The Ball Poem. From the supplementary reader means Footprints Without Feet, A Triumph of Surgery, The Thief Story, Footprints Without Feet. These are the syllabus in term 1. If we talk about the term 2, the same will be there. With writing skill, there is a slight change. Formal letter based on the given situation, letter of order, letter of inquiry, analytical paragraph. Grammar will be same, and literature portion will have the chapters from First Flight like Glimpses of India, Madam Rides the Bus, The Sermon at Benares, The Proposal, It's a Play. And from the poem section, Amanda, Animals and the Tales of Clustered the Dragon. Footprints Without the Feet, Making of a Scientist, The Necklace, The Hack Driver and Bholi. These will have the complete term 1 and term 2 syllabus for English. Now let's have a look into the distribution of marks as per term 1 and term 2. There will be total 3 sections: reading, writing and grammar and literature. Reading section 10 marks, creating and grammar section 10 marks, literature 20 marks. There will also be internal assessment for 10 marks. So the grand total for each of the terms in each of the subjects will be 50 according to the prescribed syllabus and the distribution of marks. To the preparation, if this book is helpful, then you can purchase it offline and online from Amazon, Flipkart and Snapdeal. Wish you all happy learning.